All right, so here we have the two magic triangles, and the magic triangle is just a tool that we use in physics to remember the equations for speed, distance, and time. And really, it's a magic triangle that can be used for any linear relationship in physics. So you can use it for speed, you can use it for forces, you can use it for angular movement, you use it for momentum. You can use it for many different equations, and the rule will still apply. All right. So just to see if we remember how to use it. So if you wanted to find the speed, you'll first cross out the speed, and you write that as the equation or the variable you're trying to find, and then you look at what you have left. And if the letters or variables are on top of each other, that means division. And if they're right next to each other, left and right, that means multiplication. So when we cross out the S, the equation for speed, S stands for speed, is going to be X divided by T. All right, and it's division because it's on top of it. Okay, so let's try out T. So if the T was crossed out, we'll first write the variable T, and let's see what we have left. So let's imagine if this was a S without the X here. The equation would read X divided by S, distance divided by speed. All right, and then the last one will be distance. So if we cross out X, the equation that is left is going to be X equals speed times time. Okay, and so that's the magic triangle. That's how you use it. You cover up the letter that you're trying to find, and then you look at how the other letters are oriented, and then you get your equation from that. If it's division, that means the letters are on top of each other. It's multiplications, the letters are right next to each other. All right, so let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. So the question reads, a biker rides his bike 15 meters in 5 seconds. How fast was he going? All right, so our knowns, they give us the distance. Let me do it down here. They give us our knowns. They give us the distance, which is 15 meters. They give us the time, which is 5 seconds, and we're trying to find the speed. Okay, so we're going to go to the next part, which is the equation for this problem. All right, so the speed is what we're trying to find. And so we said here velocity and speed are like the same thing. So really we're trying to find the velocity. So we're going to cross out the velocity. And what does the equation read? X divided by t. Just like over here, x divided by t. So the speed equation is going to be S equals X divided by T. All right, and then we're going to plug and chug. Our knowns into our equation. S equals 15 meters divided by 5 seconds. And then the answer is going to be speed equals 3 meters per second. That is the answer. So for the other speed problems that you're going to do, use this magic triangle. And let me draw it for you again. Just draw a regular triangle. Cut it in half. X goes at the top. Speed goes in the bottom left. T goes in the bottom right. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.